Hello my lovelies and welcome to my channel Be with Prachi. Today I'm going to talk to you about 5 easy ways on how you could have a glowing skin and that too without makeup. कैसे आप एक खूबसूरत glowing त्वचा पा सकते हैं बिना मेकअप के. Excited? So let's jump right into the video. Well, gone are the days where a glowing skin was only a woman's priority. Today's video is also for my male friends. So guys, I'm going to share with you some simple, easy tips which will give you a glowing, healthy skin and that too without makeup. To have a glowing skin naturally without makeup, it's very important that you take care of your inner health. क्योंकि आपकी skin आपकी inner health का reflection होती है. So if you want glowing skin from the outside, it's very important to take care of our inner health. There are some simple and easy tips which we all know, but a gentle reminder always goes a long way. And the good news is guys, that it's very simple to have a glowing skin naturally without makeup. Tip number 1. The magic ingredient that's going to make your skin glow is water. Water is the best medicine for your skin. You must target at drinking at least 2 to 3 liters of water every day. Early in the morning, if you can have 2 to 3 glasses of water, it works wonders for your skin as well as your hair and also cleanses your system completely. I know थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है याद रखना 3 liters of water in a day. So the trick is, try keeping bottles of water next to your workstation or your side table and just keep sipping. Isn't that simple? तो अगर आप चमकती दमकती ग्लोइंग त्वचा चाहते हैं तो पानी पिए और खूब सारा पिए. हम में से कई लोगों को सुबह उठते ही एक प्रॉब्लम होता है और वो है पफिनेस का. हमारा फेस थोड़ा सा स्वोलन या पफ्ड अप लगता है. Most of us also suffer from puffy eyes. A very simple and easy technique to depuff your face early in the morning is using a jade roller and a gua sha stone. A jade roller is basically a face roller which can be used to depuff your face. It works this way, horizontally, vertically on your face, and helps in giving a tightening as well as a soothing effect to your face. You can put your jade roller as well as your gua sha stone in the freezer or in the fridge just before using it, and then use the cool jade roller on your face horizontally as well as vertically to depuff your face. You can use this for around 5 minutes. And also a gua sha stone. Gua sha is basically a stone which can be used again for depuffing. But both these things should be used cool and also with a light moisturizer or with an oil. You can use the gua sha stone which is cool just on your under eyes and hold it for a couple of seconds, which works miracles in removing puffiness. I've tried it myself and it works wonders for me when I have a late night or a shoot which has stressed me out completely and my face looks a little puffed up. If you do not have a jade roller, it's perfectly fine. You can even use an ice cube and just rub it around your face in circular motions and below your under eyes and the puffiness is gone. हम सब जानते हैं कि exercise does wonders for our skin. लेकिन क्या आप ये जानते हैं that there are certain asanas and facial exercises which can make your skin glow? One of the best yogasanas or facial exercise for your skin is Sinhasana or the lion pose. In my next video, I'm going to share with you 5 yogasanas which will give you a healthy and glowing skin. The foods that you have first thing in the morning play a very important role in giving you a glowing and healthy skin. जो आप सुबह खाते हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होता है आपके स्किन को क्लेंस्ड और खूबसूरत रखने में. Always eat foods that are rich in beta-carotene like papaya, mangoes, carrots and add them to your smoothies or to juices. I regularly have carrot juice, orange juice, and beetroot. I mix them together, and by drinking this regularly, it's brought a great difference in the quality of my skin. It not only improves and gives a glow to my skin, but also increases my energy levels. अपनी स्किन को एक्सटर्नली क्लेंस्ड और क्लीन रखना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. I always add a drop of pure oil like almond oil or vitamin oil to my moisturizer as it doubles up the effect. इससे आपकी skin dewy, fresh और glowing दिखती है. I also apply a serum or a cream and again penetrate it with the help of a jade roller. Never leave your skin dry after washing your face. Always use a light moisturizer after a face wash because the skin, when damp, absorbs the moisturizer to the best of its capacity. अपने फेस को एटलीस्ट दिन में 2 बार धोएं. And girls, before going to sleep, please see to it that you remove your makeup. Your skin too needs to breathe just like you do. So if you want a glowing skin next morning, please see to it that it's clean before you sleep. At least try to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. It's very important. If you don't get 7 to 8 hours of beauty sleep, it's going to show on your face in the form of dullness, puffy eyes, and chapped lips. So guys, do catch up on that sleep. And guys, most importantly, smile more and add beauty to yourself and to the world. Stay happy and healthy always. And for more interesting tips and tricks, be with Prachi.